let's talk about labeling form controls. Okay, how to label form controls. Before you want someone to even fill a form for you, let me show you from the browser. You like, let's say age here. Okay, then you give different control options for the person. If it's a checkbox. Okay, if it is a password. Let me explain it here. So this is still our action. This is where we are sending it to the label. Okay, so age, and the input for the age, we are looking for a text, and then the name should go as what? It should store it as our age. It shouldn't store it as a username or as a password or something. Now we break the line and give the options to choose. And the option one, we are saying male or female. So the input ID is female. The type is radio. That means that we can choose only one at a time. It should store it as our gender. It should use the value F. Okay, so F for female. F should stand for what? Female. Let me read the information about 4. It says the ID element of what? A labelable form related element in the same document as the label element. The first element in the document with the ID matching the value of the for attribute is the label control for this label element. If it's not labelable, then the for attribute has no effect. Okay, so we are going to label it, so the for attribute should have an effect. Okay, that is why I like Visual Studio Code as well. Okay, it's giving us even information on the attributes we are using, for the input methods we are using, for all the elements we are using. It is giving us what? The explanation. So once you are doing it, you are guided. Okay, so we are supposed to first of all choose an age. Just input a text. Okay, write the number, our age, just write the age. The next, it says gender. It's asking for gender. For gender, we have two options, either female or male. There's a reason why we are using what? Radio. We are using radio because we don't want people to choose two options. You can't choose male and female at the same time. Okay, so that's the best way to what? Use the radio button in the circumstances where you need only one option to be selected. Let me refresh, scroll down to see. Now you can see age, so I can just write 15. Okay, gender, and I'll say I am male. Okay, that is it. So that's how you label form control. This is how you label it. Age, so this text box is for age, and then this one is for male or female. When I click on this, it is what? For F. This is M, as it is what? Indicated in our code here. Okay,